Ever feel the need for a moment of tranquility amidst the chaos of daily life? Imagine immersing yourself in nature's embrace, allowing its quiet calm to wash over you. The importance of such personal retreats can't be overstated. What if there was a place designed specifically for this serene retreat? Enter a meditation garden, a sanctuary designed to cultivate peace and mindfulness. This tranquil space is more than just a collection of beautiful plants and serene water features. It is a thoughtfully curated environment intended to aid in your pursuit of tranquility and introspective contemplation. The purpose of a meditation garden is twofold. First, it serves as a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of daily life. It's a place where stress melts away, replaced by a sense of calm and tranquility. Second, it fosters a deep connection with nature. As you sit among the lush greenery, listening to the gentle trickle of water, you re-establish your bond with the natural world. Common elements you might find in a meditation garden include a variety of plants, each chosen for their aesthetic appeal and the sense of peace they evoke. Water features, like streams or fountains, add a soothing auditory element. Comfortable seating areas invite you to stay, to breathe, and to find your center. Imagine yourself in such a place surrounded by the soothing sounds of nature, breathing in the fresh air, and finding your inner peace. You might wonder, how can I have my own meditation garden? Let's demystify that. A meditation garden is possible in any space, big or small. It's all about making it your own. Think about what soothes you. It could be the sound of flowing water, the scent of lavender, or the sight of lush greenery. Create a space that reflects you, your serenity. Remember, this is your personal sanctuary, and there are no rules. With a meditation garden, you can have a personal sanctuary right in your backyard. A meditation garden is more than just a beautiful space. It's a sanctuary, offering tranquility and serenity, a respite from the daily hustle. It's a path to finding peace within. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content. Remember, peace begins in the garden.